Welcome to the channel, where today we're uncovering a new feature on Facebook that helps you control the content you see from group posts, right from your page, on the Facebook app for PC. Have you ever noticed group posts showing up on your page and wanted to clear them out? Maybe the content's not relevant, or you just want a more focused feed. With Facebook's recent update, it's easier than ever to mark group posts as not interested, so you can keep your feed exactly the way you want. Let's walk through the simple steps together. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. Make sure you're signed in with the account that manages your page. Once you're on the home screen, navigate to your page. You'll often see posts from groups you follow or are a part of, showing up right in your page feed. Next, scroll through your feed until you spot a group post you'd rather not see. Take a moment to make sure it's coming from a group. These usually mention the group's name or display a group icon next to the post. Now, look for the three-dot icon, usually located in the upper right corner of the post. This is the menu that holds various actions you can take on that specific post. Click on those three dots. A drop-down menu will appear, giving you several options for interacting with the post. From the list, choose the option labeled Not Interested. Once you click this, Facebook will register your preference and will work to show you fewer posts like this in the future on your page. And that's it. You've just taken control of your Facebook page feed with just a few clicks. Repeat these steps anytime you come across content from groups that don't interest you. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more simple, step-by-step tech walkthroughs. Thanks for tuning in.